Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Intro music fades out. Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host. Today we're exploring a game changer in electric vehicles that's not just about speed and range, but also about sustainability. Say hello to regenerative braking. Upbeat background music starts playing. When you think of driving a gas-powered vehicle, the last thing on your mind is energy recovery. But what if I told you there's a way to recycle energy while you drive an electric or hybrid? That's right, with regenerative braking, your kinetic energy becomes power for the battery, and that's where it gets really interesting. Visuals of EV braking appear on screen. So, how does it work? Well, when you press the brake pedal on a normal gas-powered vehicle, the brake pads or shoes apply pressure to the rotors, generating heat. That's basically wasted energy. But with an electric vehicle or hybrid, that same kinetic energy is captured and transferred to the battery to help recharge it. Visuals of EV charging appear on screen. Mechanic Tom Palermo, who has been servicing vehicles for over 40 years, calls regenerative braking one of the great things about electric vehicles. Basically, you're putting power back into the battery, he explains. And that's not all. Some vehicles even offer a feature called one-pedal driving. When you take your foot off the accelerator pedal, the car automatically begins slowing down without even hitting the brake. Visuals of one-pedal driving appear on screen. Now, different vehicles may have varying levels of aggressiveness with this feature. But essentially, it's like having an extra gear in your vehicle that helps reduce wear and tear on your brake pads and rotors. And with regenerative braking, you get to enjoy the benefits of longer-lasting brakes and less energy waste. Visuals of EV maintenance appear on screen. So, what does this mean for you as a car owner? Well, it's all about getting used to the unique characteristics of your vehicle. Tom Palermo advises that it takes some time to adjust, but with practice, you'll be harnessing the power of regenerative braking in no time. Outro music starts playing. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. From reducing energy waste to extending the life of your brakes, regenerative braking is a game changer in electric vehicles. Stay charged, stay informed, and we'll catch you on the next drive.